Making money online has become an incredibly popular topic, and it's not surprising to see why. With the rise of the internet, there are now countless opportunities to earn income right from the comfort of your home. This surge of interest has also led to the proliferation of scams and misleading information. It's crucial for us to navigate this landscape carefully to find legitimate ways of earning online. Let's break down the essentials. Affiliate marketing is one prominent method many people use to generate online income. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. To be successful at affiliate marketing, you need to have a solid audience base, whether it's through a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel. The key here is to choose products that align with your content and that you genuinely believe in. Another avenue is freelancing. Talents like writing, graphic design, and digital marketing are highly sought after. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr provide a space to offer your services. The competition can be tough, and building a strong portfolio is essential to attract clients willing to pay for your expertise. E-commerce is also a huge area for making money online. This includes starting your own online store using platforms like Shopify or selling products through marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Setting up an online store requires an understanding of consumer needs, inventory management, and marketing strategies to bring traffic to your site. Content creation has become a profitable online career path. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow content creators to monetize their followers through ads and viewer donations. Success in content creation depends on your ability to deliver engaging content consistently to grow your audience. Online courses and tutoring have become more popular, especially since the onset of the pandemic. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects. Offering tutoring services in subjects you're knowledgeable in can be done through video calls. Investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency is another way some people make money online. These options carry higher risks and require a good understanding of financial markets. It's recommended to consult with a financial advisor before diving into these investments. When exploring ways to make money online, always approach with caution. Many scams lure you with promises of quick riches, asking for money up front, or promoting get-rich-quick schemes. Always research thoroughly and never pay for the promise of money. Legitimate money-making opportunities rarely require you to invest money without a clear understanding of what you're getting into. Making money online is indeed possible, and the time to start is now. But it demands hard work and a willingness to learn. Focus on building skills that are valuable in the online marketplace and stay away from offers that seem too good to be true. With the right approach and mindset, you can find legitimate ways to earn income and possibly turn them into a sustainable career. It's about finding what fits best for you and taking consistent action towards your goals. Let's get out there, learn from credible sources, and start building our paths to online income today. Please like, share, and subscribe or follow for more informative and entertaining videos.